This is a very sad evening. Ghana is now becoming a dictatorship. In fact, a president people went and killed and voted for is now behaving as if he came into power through coup.
At this particular moment, Ghana man emu aye butu. Among force omuntia say National Security Council Àngry Okatakyie Afrifa Now. Omunyina so omudikoche no sebi omuntia say it makes sense to them. 89 no. They are demonstrating on free Okatakyie now. Aha Penyah Product Media. Message any day mo. Over like a video no other room. Over subscribe button so that click the question and latest updates. Na better wa ndia mama e comment section. Message wa. Say over so anu share video na ma unu aso enya bi ahwe no ho de ekoso e wo man konkron Ghana mo. But in cap your first video a emu na me kire o say Okatakyie Afrifa Now at this moment no National Security Council and National Investigative Bureau NIB4 etimi akwache no to me me kire o say e bia ebeye asemo a okafa National Security Council ho concerning the beef with Kevin Taylor. I would tell the Kevin Taylor can say obey ni obetri nyansa obenu musu ontimi mene or the check as oh I don't know or kan ye no among for believe say e physical na physical na e National Security Council and air plan be against or no say be ya the voice no I would tell the kasake kan sem NDC government any ready attack on NDC no or belusi the voice na ontimi kase be any so olusi the voice. All these noise na attacks, all these attacks from him, it will go down the drain. But I say all these attacks will go down the drain. It's because of that, and to me, they believe say, hey, Bia, a man National Security Council, Equatorial and say, Ometrimu, they become say, make it that plotting, any that plan, and in the same video, my what I say, Okatakyie na betrimu say, or game for exams, na Obano, and who say, cast to be a chasing. That cousin or say believe say a state sponsored terror on him.
Oh boy.
I say, to him, can also to me, I catch up with one of the drivers. I'm a much no driver need to say, oh yeah, or your police personnel, or your police personnel. Now, a National Security Council and a small MFano. There's all these attacks, and leading to the arrest of Okatakyie Afrifa Now. Now, concerning the arrest, no, and I Ghana force the Omontiasi. Say, Adentina, Okatakyie Afrifa Now was starting to show for. Now, just now, more attacked. Ono crown only di obi atem. Onka obi ashe. Onyo abua kwasi awe Jiminy ad onyebi. Or criticize obi. What I say? Enyo non constant or criticize obi government. Anybody will be a criticize be. A German fonte say adem kwana. Okatakyie Afrifa Now. At this moment, there is a whole lot of demonstration on the internet on free Okatakyie now.
Abusuya quick one message who video ya share fama onua bia sesi e ntia me nse kan se national security for apeki enua be ma ye frɛ no Okatakyie Afrifa for the record showman ya peki no sesi na mate I don't want to believe say you no kre but if say you no kra me se mo me share video yi na enko viral say the onua bi hu a ye nyina betima posti na ye demand the immediate release of Okatakyie Afrifa because Okatakyie onkum nipa Okatakyie nkotwe se kan wo bia so omo mutu galamse se yensu kra yentimi nkwache wo mo na Okatakyie ono ne ye ni program a wonko onti a obia na so mesre se de meka no asema a ye tete no it is alleged say ya chi enua no se national security for aba be pick no but asem no you see behind every room obia no there is an iota of truth into no crack akrabiti mabam into Mr. Who video we are share efama nua say allegedly yes national security for apeki nua be my friend Okatakyie Afrifa message who post we are share ema nua bia na ye nyina ye demand the immediate release of Okatakyie Afrifa nyanku ponhira.
Wow, this is sad evening. This is a very sad evening. Ghana is now becoming a dictatorship. In fact, a president people went and killed and voted for is now behaving as if he came into power through coup. Okatakyie Afrifa has been picked up by national security. If you could remember, some days ago, they shut down his platform. He decided to use a Starlink. He announced today that on Saturday he'll be having a show. They went and picked him. A president that cannot accommodate criticism. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, that they call a dictator. People criticize him over 8 good years and no one was picked by a national security. Today, if you even use your Facebook and want to say something about the NDC government, they will shut it down. Please, the youth should arise. Let's put MPP and NDC aside. Now, that is Okatakyie that they've arrested today. Tomorrow, you might express yourself on this app and they will come and pick you up. The journalists out there, the various TV stations and radio stations, if you don't talk, the same way one day you criticize the government and they will come and close down your station, and your only offense is that you have criticized the government. Mr. President, we are pleading with you. Allow everybody freedom of speech. If someone speaks against your government or accuse you wrongly, you sue the person. You don't send soldiers, you don't send police to go and pick up the person. There are legal process. That is why you are having Attorney General. Use the law. Use the law. If you feel someone is saying something that is wrong, someone is accusing your government wrongly, sue the person and let the laws work. You don't just send national security to be picking people to unknown locations. The youth should stand. Everybody should stand on their feet. Let's speak against this. Release Okatakyie Afrifa now.
National security for Okatakyie Afrifa breaking news na make actually when national security yet na Ghana Hanuma Kevin Taylor ne Captain Smart Edina na Akufo-Addo atem de omo pedu papa nkrofo emi enye otumfo nse na Kevin Taylor ankanfo otumfo ho na Akufo-Addo anyi obi ahwoja obi apema no na Okatakyie Afrifa starting and see mako disconnecting the lights na in internet nyakopa ya adwa ye nyame ya ma Saturday nkobe ye adwuma ena bi national security for akofa no exams are oba ena o makohia na o machi na adi na kohyem ti MPP for mon solid ye pamocho 4 years we na da ye ni mo NDC format na nipa koso Ghana ha se Ghana ha nye obi adea ye ma mi free ye papa free MPP for mon solid ma mon tina se my gentle ache ye pamocho mon solid no makofo Okatakyie Afrifa o makoche no
mpacho saka video no ahye wate meni na social media sese na me so national security akochi Okatakyie Afrifa the way for the record no how in the social media for me mo kasa o ma chi se wa koni pa na asa wa ye na say den o ma chi se ampa da mo njai mo share video na ndu bebe se edu enti me media personalities o mo nya adwuma bio nkrofo ni nam ho mo di boni cry mo nya mo chi mo na media obi professional or yes ma ko chi no ara wa ye den oh the munjahan sasain why you be you akabi and say media phone cut assembly Ghana bill and I do the man who they say papa the enye munjahan
udisini make waves pa e wo my Ghana me no ka say menya ne tie so control exam afen wa points wo kofi yes national security for action e wo no I think say action what akwa so baby
because okosko gimpa
okosko yeah oya lower gimpa it me no ka say Okatakyie Afrifa mensa yeah what the host for the records me no ka say few minutes ago national security for Edin Tente action wo Kingsby achimota Kings beside Holma obi ani baby kra omode Afrifa mensa eko etino that's the breaking news out there say Okatakyie Afrifa mensa me no ka say ye kan wo Ghana nti say ya che no national security for Edin intended from game park or Chilo Kingsby. Baby, come more than a quad nim. Some more than a bonnet, so I am swa nim. We are monitoring the system. The catch or say, a quotation me read first, no, or what bad you for no. I bet you will be Ankasa because was only you knew. Or bet you Roman for so say, ya, many Roman knew. A Drew say, a bet you or no, near will be a goom. It will be a man, can be a man, or you could know that. Yan tell ma or marry and conforming for a man in your room. Obiani wa wo so che o magana mra ye ka jo sebe godna sabe diako maye bone na sebe bone kra maye ma police enfrɛ me ko makotwo manum asem yes an why bone nyam ya adoma edwoada ana kina ya wo bra court ye do court no problem because obi so nchemra but mo use such brutish methods atete kwa asem ya we atwamu Rambo styling arrested everybody because Okatakyie Afrifa for the past 3 weeks and some work a public education what the Emma said the OC Shanko phone crying ye sunshine education war ye the program so no mujisa motwa daddy. I think say you are making me more popular because multibi nkono I just said be na modern queen modern to table so na modern and you say ye beku na atwa wuti mo antwade ti na dia nyame ado cha say dam be yi no sama nko Okatakyie Afrifa na dia ena mu akama anya de mo ye no because mo yi ne be say pa obeye west mo yi ne ba you are rather emboldening him.
Yes, why dey
obianka de why
ne be pa no why
program but taking off air
hu nimpa omugina TV so e kan sama kese egum penimfo ho fi
so far on the program will be atem
yedi nkrofo atem etwa ahemfo atem e kan ntro sam dugu nimpa so e ogrum ha yanti be in the year for almost 8 years ye hu nimpa obi a otumi kura tumi kotu police car so nimpa no kura ye jano attorney general court Ako file no prosecutor. I will draw all the cases against these such people. We set it up on one studio. I can some as guaranteed by the Constitution of the Republic. Or can I some no? Ya catch because one can be a man or boyechi or can in someone moye etia in impact sumasano or can identity machino. And how much in Egumo and I say bia and I bet say judges 4 times na you to me catch judge for ekunkum wana dwo ekum esie wo no that is the time we are on radio.
I just say bia ka mu declare say we bia fia wo tibia no you should deem yourself say who are under house arrest because mo ba tie gina de kwa koguma e ho no be ma e be broso it is a mu declare we bia fie say wo fie na wo timu no wo dan na wo hyemu no e yourselves. It is shemu ne hu so say you are the house arrest quicker yankoi
Mahama is the hope
sir.
This is the hope okoyo wanko ye nyina ewo mu bi Stone Boy say na anwe na wokofa ba
wow did
but illegal dismissal Obia now nam a friend anano din sanoma. I think na say ahoya wom. Obi governance na ahoya. Say ene modern day. And I blame Ghana Journalists Association omo president.
So why dey?
We fi say okankrofo na omo tagi nanado say he can end your friend is saying Galamsey.
Okay.
Yes. By how many times no I press conference? President enya 4 different opportunities. Public speaking. Onka Galamsey ho asemda. Onka welfare ho illegal dismissal onka ho asemda. Once ye dey abasamba mo so journalists. Mo say nanado time no mo use word bi moment of silence. Say culture of silence.
National security coordinator kwa won so nche wo bia in Ghana for. And don't forget to say 4 months ago na mo ye in course ordinary Ghanaians
John Mahama 8 years now to opposition after tasting power for 4 years, and then Nyamia say wadom over the tasting power for the next 4 years. After 4 years time, you come back to the normal. You say, "Who power beam?" It's your best way. This is not the time for me to show where power lies. Power, na go pompe the power. Na go pompe and the power. Into no mesre. Baby, I'm more than a call. Montre na the lawyer for embraho and sana money na kasa. Penyah kalepepe buno. When issue statement to say mwafano anamonfano na gara for entiasie. Na dumremene
Obetwa tire wadwene amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media.